Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. We are going to solve the Face ID problem of this phone. We need some tools to solve the problem. Programmer, JC Flex, and some other complementary tools. The phone IMEI last 4 digit is 8839. Options are hidden in the Face ID section. We will solve the problem after the intro. First, we need to remove the front camera module from the phone. Now we are checking the modem through Programmer Tools. All the sections are showing abnormal of this modem. Press the Read button on the programmer to copy face data from this Face ID modem. Now press the Write button to write old face data to the new Face ID modem. Now, we are going to the electronic microscope for the critical operation of this module. So we need to remove the Face ID modem from the front camera module, cutting the Face ID sensor shield through a mini cutter machine. Slightly heat up the sensor module. Need to be careful during the Face ID modem removal process. After removing the Face ID modem, now we are removing the Face ID Flex from the sensor. Now cleaning up the sensor. After that, we need to remove 4B HDIC from the sensor modem. Now making short of 2 points using soldering paste. Adding Face ID sensor modem to a new Face ID Flex cable. After that, adding the Face ID sensor to the camera module using paste and UV light induction. Finally, we are assembling all the parts of this phone. It's time to check. And it's working fine. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, hit the like button, and comment in the comment section.